Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable mods in your Hytale server. The first thing I want you to do is open up your browser, go to curseforge.com. I want you to come here and click on get the CurseForge app. I want you to install that app, and once it has been installed, I want you to open up CurseForge. Here on your home page, you should see Hytale as your game, and I want you to choose Hytale. Come here, click on Browse, and go ahead and download any mod you want. Just come here, click on Install. I've already installed this one, and then once you have that game selected, come here and click on Run Game through CurseForge. And once you run the game through CurseForge, it will open up, and then to actually enable mods in your server, I want you to click here on Worlds, because you need to do this initially before you actually create the world and server. So here we're going to create a new world, click on Create World, and then here I want you to click on this gear cog, and here you'll see the mods that are available and download it. So I'll go ahead and check this one. This one has been toggled on. You can just name your world anything you want, and then you can apply your settings, and it will go ahead and create the world. And that is how to enable mods in your Hytale server. If this video helped you out, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.